I reset my mind to become happier? How do I reset my brain to be happy? Here is how to reboot your brain. Develop healthy sleep habits. Sleep is our body's method of resetting and replenishing itself, including and especially the brain. Eat a healthy diet. There's a deeper connection between the brain and the gut than most people realize. Meditation, mindfulness, and exercises. Get outside and exercise. How to be happier? Manage your stress levels. If you have a lot of stress in your life, find ways to reduce it, such as learning a few time management techniques. Enjoy yourself. Boost your self-esteem. Have a healthy lifestyle. Talk and share